Can't get the perfect exposure on your Canon DSLR? Changing the metering mode can fix it in seconds. In this video, I'll show you how to switch between metering modes, so without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, turn on your camera. Now make sure to set the mode dial to P, TV, AV, or M. After that, press the Q button. Now use the arrow keys to select the metering mode icon. It looks like a rectangle split into different sections. Then press the set button. Here you will see 4 options, like evaluating metering, which is good for general shooting. Then partial metering, which is good for backlit subjects. Then spot metering, which is for precise metering on a small area. And finally, center weighted average metering. It emphasizes the center. After selecting one of them, press the set button again to confirm. And that's it. That's how you can switch between metering modes on your Canon camera. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.